Ever had your phone drop your dashcam's Wi-Fi and jump straight back to CarPlay? It's just a mobile phone owes limitation. To save you the frustration, here are 3 quick tricks to keep your connection smooth whenever you need to download footage. Option 1. Disable CarPlay on iPhone. You'll see the CarPlay screen change right away, meaning it's disconnected. Now reopen the Miofive app and connect to your dashcam again. It will pair up smoothly. Option 2. Turn off Bluetooth to block CarPlay. CarPlay auto-connects super fast and steals the connection. To stop this, simply turn off your phone's Bluetooth. Then go to your Wi-Fi settings, select the dashcam's Wi-Fi network, and hit connect. Once Bluetooth is off, CarPlay will no longer interfere or hijack your dashcam's connection. Option 3. Unplug the adapter. If you're using a third-party wireless CarPlay dongle, just unplug it. Once it's unplugged, you can seamlessly connect to your dashcam right away. After unplugging the CarPlay dongle, just reopen the app and connect to your dashcam again.